In this video I will explain how you can change the opacity of a layer in Photoshop. So here you can see there is one layer, and to change that opacity of this layer, what you do is, you can see that on the right hand side there is this opacity drop down. So you can just take the mouse on this particular label and you will see these arrows are appearing, and then you have to just move your mouse horizontally to increase or decrease the opacity like this. Okay, and see the opacity is changing in this image. So by default it is 100%, but you can definitely change it. So when you change the opacity or decrease the opacity, what happens is that whatever is in the background starts appearing, becomes visible basically. That's it. Thanks for watching.